Is there any substitutes for cement? Yes, the best substitution for cement in concrete depends on the specific requirements of the project and the intended application of the concrete. However, there are a few commonly used substitutes for cement in concrete. 1. Fly ash. Fly ash is a byproduct of burning coal, and it can be used as a partial replacement for cement in concrete. It can improve the workability, strength, and durability of the concrete. 2. Ground granulated blast furnace slag, GGBS. GGBS is a byproduct of the steel industry, and it can be used as a partial replacement for cement in concrete. It can improve the workability, strength, and durability of the concrete, and also has a lower carbon footprint than cement. 3. Silica fume. Silica fume is a byproduct of the silicon metal and ferrosilicon alloy industries, and it can be used as a partial replacement for cement in concrete. It can significantly improve the strength and durability of the concrete, and also has a lower carbon footprint than cement. It is important to note that while these substitutes can improve the performance and sustainability of concrete, they may also have different properties and requirements than cement, and may require additional testing and adjustment of the concrete mix to ensure the desired results. It is recommended to consult with a qualified engineer or concrete expert to determine the best substitution for cement in your specific project.